Hey, are you looking to generate passive income? Are you looking for financial independence? If you are a woman looking to generate extra income or financial independence, please continue to watch. If you are working in some company and thinking of generating passive income, please continue to watch this. Today, what I'm going to share with you is a new, safer way to make money by trading in option market. I know by telling option market already you would have turned off your mind. I'm not asking you to get into SATA or exactly into stock market trading. Here I'm going to talk to you about a particular strategy, a particular way, scientific way of trading in option market, so you are sure of earning a decent return on investment you make. This is not going to be an unlimited profit or a limited loss kind of an equation. This is about a calculated trading strategy. Now, this might sound easy, but it is not all that easy. I'm going to give you 3 simple steps to make it happen. The first and the most important is to understand the direction of the market, or rather the trend of the market. So trend is your friend. I'm going to give you some simple tips to understand about the market trend. Next is understanding the technical analysis. The moment you say technical analysis, it opens the whole world. There are a lot of indicators involved and too many jargons inside technical analysis. I have simplified and created a simple 2-step analysis to understand the trend and decide on the market moment. In whichever direction, the market might be in an upward direction, market might be in a lower direction, or market might be in a sideways direction. You can always understand using these 2 simple techniques. Now, after you understand that, the third most important is to apply the option strategy. When I say apply the option strategy, it sounds a little complicated. People typically think buying a call, buying a put is end of option market. बहुत हो गया, इन्वेस्टमेंट बहुत कम है, रिस्क कुछ ज्यादा नहीं है, और अनलिमिटेड प्रॉफिट ये तो कभी भी होने वाला नहीं है. ये तो you, because I know, I'm sure that even in the recent volatility, a lot of people would have lost money in this. I'm going to teach you some of the secrets that institutions do this over a period of time. They apply the science behind options to really make money in option market. What is this science? These are option Greeks. Now, option Greek sounds very technical or too much of information, but I'm going to simplify it and make it like a simple tools for you to use and apply step-by-step process, 1, 2, 3, 4, step-by-step process, so that you can decide, or you are sure about what is going to be the risk and what is going to be the risk return on investment you are going to get for sure. Now, here I would like to tell you, any trade you take, it has to be a decent return on investment. When I say decent, if it is going to be around the kind of money which even a credit card company makes, you know that legally, if they're going to make it in India, the kind of return, I'm sure this is going to be a phenomenal return for you also. As long as your money is going to grow more than 2% per month, I'm sure that you're going to grow your wealth phenomenally. But the most important question here is your strike rate. Can the strike rate be 6 on 10, 7 on 10, right? Perfect. Even if you're going to be 6 or 7 on 10 right decisions, I'm sure you're going to grow your wealth. But here the careful point is, what are you going to do with the 3 or 4 calls which have not gone in your direction, or which has not gone as per your wish? How well you emotionally control those calls or call it off is most important, because we keep staying with our wrong decisions and we actually quickly book profits with our right decisions. This is what makes a strategy or trading, a poor strategy and an ideal recipe for losing money. But I'm going to tell you some 3 simple steps. First is understanding the trend, because trend is your friend. The next most important is to use simple 2-step technical analysis to understand the direction as well as the breadth of the market, based on which you can apply the right kind of an option strategy, whether it is delta, gamma, theta, vega, or implied volatility. I'll simplify all these jargons and make it a simple recipe for you to apply and trade. And I'm assuring you that you can actually generate a good amount of return on investments for yourself. Again, once again, I'm not in the business of advising stocks or giving you recommendations. No, that's the last thing I'll be doing. My name is Srinivasagiri, and I have spent over 20 years in this market, helping individual customers, high net worth individuals, as well as some of the companies to actually deal in stock market. I have advised in equities, derivatives and options before. Now as a passion, I have been following option market for long enough to understand the intricate secrets and to make money using simple techniques. I will be sharing this information on the webinar which I conduct. If you like what I'm talking, kindly share this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're watching this on Facebook, please follow me on this space. I'm going to share more details and give you more information on how you can apply simple strategies which can give you a consistent and a reasonable return on your investment. Watch this space for more information on the forthcoming webinars. Thank you and bye-bye.